Welcome to our channel, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews on the best kitchen gear out there. If you're a fan of cooking or just love quality cookware, today's review is for you. We're diving into the Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron skillet, a kitchen essential that promises durability, versatility, and flavor like no other. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just looking to upgrade your kitchen setup, you'll want to stick around for this one. If you're in the market for cookware that will elevate your cooking experience, the Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron skillet might be exactly what you need. Known for its time-tested quality, this skillet is ideal for use in the kitchen, on the grill, and even over a campfire. So let's explore why this skillet is a must-have for anyone serious about cooking, both indoors and out. Product features. 1. Pre-seasoned finish. The skillet comes pre-seasoned right out of the box, making it ready for immediate use. This pre-seasoning forms a natural non-stick surface that enhances with every use. It reduces food sticking and simplifies cleaning, so your skillet just keeps getting better the more you cook with it. 2. Unique teardrop handle design. Lodge has designed the handle in a unique teardrop shape, making it comfortable and secure to hold, even when handling heavy or hot dishes. This design helps you maneuver the skillet with ease, enhancing both safety and control during cooking. 3. Multi-surface compatible. Whether you want to cook in the oven, on the stove, on the grill, or over a campfire, this skillet can handle it all. Cast iron distributes heat evenly, resulting in perfectly cooked meals, no matter where you use it. This is especially valuable for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want flexibility without sacrificing quality. 4. Heavy-duty build. This skillet is as durable as they come, with a solid cast iron construction. It holds heat exceptionally well, so you can achieve those perfect sears, crispy exteriors, and tender interiors on everything from steaks to veggies. While it is a bit heavier than other types of skillets, that weight is part of what makes it last for generations. Why should you buy this skillet? 1. Perfect searing on meat. With its excellent heat retention, this skillet is ideal for getting that restaurant-quality sear on meats. The high heat creates a delicious crust while keeping the inside juicy. 2. Versatile for all types of cooking. Whether it's pancakes, deep-fried foods, sizzling steaks, or even a cast-iron pizza, this skillet does it all. Its heat retention helps ensure that your dishes are cooked thoroughly and evenly every time. 3. Built to last. Lodge is a well-known brand with a reputation for crafting long-lasting cast iron cookware. This skillet is an investment that will serve you well over the years, making it a staple in any kitchen. Customer reviews. I've been using the Lodge skillet, and I'm absolutely impressed. Everything tastes better, and the skillet holds up wonderfully after every use. American reviewer. This skillet is incredible. It retains heat like a champ, which is perfect for searing my steaks. It's a bit heavy, but I can't complain because it gets the job done. Outdoor camper. I'm so happy I invested in the Lodge skillet. I can cook practically anything in it, and I know it'll last for years. Home chef. Pros and cons. Pros. Natural non-stick surface that improves over time. Heavy-duty build ensures durability. Even heat distribution for perfect cooking results. Suitable for multiple surfaces, oven, stove, grill, or campfire. Cons. Relatively heavy, which may make it challenging for some to maneuver. Requires some maintenance, such as regular seasoning, to keep it in optimal condition. Maintenance tips. After cooking, rinse with warm water and dry immediately to prevent rust. Apply a light coating of oil before storing to maintain the seasoning. Avoid using dishwashers, as they can strip away the skillet's seasoning. With regular care, this skillet will deliver peak performance and be a reliable part of your kitchen for years. In conclusion, if you're looking for a sturdy, durable, and highly effective cast iron skillet, the Lodge 10.25-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet is an excellent choice. It enhances the flavor of your food, gives you perfect cooking results, and lasts a lifetime. Don't wait to elevate your cooking game, invest in a Lodge skillet today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Comment below on what recipe you'd love to try in this skillet. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.